What's up everyone and welcome to Double Down Sunday. In today's video we'll be drawing the pirate skin from Fall Guys. Let's get started in the top center of our page and draw a large circle for the face. So we start at the very top. Just going to work our way out towards the left. And pull that down towards the middle. Then work our way up along the right side. Going out. And then up. Just pull that up and in towards the center. And then we'll draw a small oval on the left side for the eye. Starting from the top, come down towards the bottom, and then back up. And then we'll fill the eye in black. Let's draw that eye patch on the right side. We'll start by lining up with the top of the eye, move to the center of the circle, curve up, and then down. And I want to connect the ends with a half oval. Starting on the inside, come down, round this out, and then pull that up. And we'll fill the eye patch in black. And then for the inside corner of the eye patch, we're going to draw a straight angle line going up and out towards the left side. And then we'll continue this angle line on the right side of the eye patch, coming down. Let's thicken up the strap. We're going to step up. Just follow that same angle line coming in, then along the outside, and then we'll fill the strap in black. Let's move up and draw the bottom edge of the hat. We're going to start by lining up with the top edge of the circle, go out towards the left side, and draw a curve that goes up in the middle, and we'll pull that back down on the right. And we'll bend out the side of the head. Starting back on the left, just going to curve out and then bring that down. Now the hat's going to fold down in behind the head. So from the top corner, we step down, curve out, and then up. We'll line this up on the right and do the same thing, going out and then up. Let's curve the top of the hat going up and then down, leaving a gap in the center. We'll start back on the left, go up toward the top, round this out, then come down, go over towards the right, going up, rounding out the hat, and then coming down. And then we'll connect the inside with a curve, starting back on the left, coming down the middle, round this out, and then go up. Let's add a trim along the top of the hat. Starting from the left, I'm going to step down. I'm just going to follow the same curves, going up, down in the middle, round this out, then work our way over towards the right side, going up, and then down. I'm also going to add an oval on the left side for the button. Starting from the top, come down, and then back up. Let's draw that skull patch over on the right side. We're going to start with a circle right in the middle, going all the way around, and then back up. Now we want to draw the skull at a slight angle, so we're going to start with two ovals on either side for the eyes. One on the left, and then one along the bottom right. And we'll add four simple bones along the top and bottom. Let's start on the top, curve up, and then down. Curve back up, down, and then in behind the circle. Let's add one on the right side. Going out, and then in. Go back out, and then in. And then we'll add two more along the bottom. Let's go back down and draw in the arm sockets. We start on the left side, we're going to curve in, and then back out. Go to the right, do the same thing. And then from the bottom of the arms, draw a straight line coming down toward the bottom of the vest. Let's curve the bottom of the vest coming in towards the middle. We want to leave a gap in the center. So let's start back on the left, come down, and into right about there. Go to the right, and do the same thing. Now from the inside, we'll draw a straight line going up. We want to line up with the top of the socket. So let's start with the left side. Going all the way up, right about there. Do the same thing on the right. And then from the top, I'm going to curve out and up. And make sure that we go up above the arm socket. And now we're going to fold down the collar, starting from the inside corner, and go down and out on both sides. And go out and up underneath the collar. Let's trace the collar along the bottom. Starting from the left, step in, and back up. And then we'll trace the vest coming in behind the collar and then along the bottom. Let's start from the left, step down, curve down and in behind the collar. Go to the inside, draw a straight line coming down, leave a gap along the bottom. And we'll follow that same curve, going out and then up. Let's tuck the lower body in underneath the vest. We're starting on the left side, we're going to step in and draw a large half circle. It's going to come down, round up the body, and go out and up on the right. Let's go to the center and draw that large belt buckle. We're going to connect the inside corner of the vest with a straight line. Now we're going to draw a rectangle from the outside, draw a short line coming down, and then we'll close off the bottom. Now I want to trace the outside of that rectangle with a slight curve. So let's start on the left, step up, curve up, and then down. Now along the bottom, I'm going to curve down, then up, and I'll round out the sides, go out and up underneath the vest. And then we'll extend the belt coming out from the side of the buckle. Let's line up at the bottom, go over towards the left, curve out, and then up, line this up on the right, and do the same thing. And we'll add that clip over on the right side. We're going to start with two straight lines coming in, close off the inside with a small half circle. I'm also going to add some thick stripes along the pant. We're going to leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, draw a straight line coming down, same thing on the right, and leave a large gap and do that one more time. Let's continue working down with the legs. We're going to start with a boot cuff over on the left side. So leaving a small gap in the center, go to the left, draw a straight line coming down. Now from here, I'm going to go out and then bend that up. And we'll angle up and in behind the body. And then we'll tuck the foot in underneath. From that inside corner, step out, draw a straight line coming down towards the heel, and then we'll round out the bottom of the foot. Coming down and up. And then from here, it's going to curve up and tuck that in underneath the boot cuff. And then we'll add that peg leg over on the right side. We're going to move over, angle down and out, go out towards the outside, angle down and in toward the same height. Close off the bottom with a slight curve. Now we're going to go up to the top and draw another curve, coming down and up. Now we're going to go back up and draw on the arms. Let's start with the inside edge of the arm first. Starting from the bottom of the socket, draw a short curve, going out and then down. Let's go back to the side and draw the edge of the cuff. And go out and then up. Now we connect the outside of the arm to the top of the shoulder with a curve, going up and then in. Let's round out the side of the cuff. Starting from the outside, curve out and then back in. Go to the inside. We're going to curve in the opposite direction, coming in and then back out. And they'll connect the ends with that same curve we have on top. Going down and then in. And then we'll add a trim along the bottom and the top. Stepping up, just tracing that same curve. Let's tuck the half circle in behind the cuff. From the outside, we'll step in, curve down, and then up. And then we'll draw in the hook. Starting from the bottom of the half circle, start by curving down and out. Just going to round this out and just pull that up, almost like drawing a circle. And then we'll trace that hook coming back in towards the arm. So we're going to taper this around, come up, pull this in, and then up. Now I'm going to move over and draw the cuff overlapping the arm. From the inside, we're going to step in, curve up, and then out. Let's go up to the top of the shoulder, curve the arm coming out, and then down in behind the cuff. And we'll pull the cuff coming in towards the wrist. Let's start from the inside, and down and out. Go to the outside, I'm just going to pull that down and in. Connect the bottom with a straight angled line. I'm also going to add a trim along the top. We'll step down, just follow that same curve. And then we'll tuck the hand in underneath the cuff. Let's start with the thumb. Starting from that inside corner, draw a small half circle. At the end of the thumb, we'll add a bracket. And then we'll curl 3 fingers around. Starting from the bottom of the thumb, come down, and then up around the bracket. Step down, curve out and up. And then the 3rd finger, we go out and up underneath the cuff. And that's pretty much it. There's the pirate skin from Fall Guys. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.